Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can set up your payment setup here in Shopify. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to go to shopify.com if you don't already have an account. Let me show it to you real quick. Let's say you don't have an account, you should go to shopify.com and in here you can actually start your free trial without paying anything. Or if you have already an account, then you can go log in. Let's say you don't have one, you want to create. And here, it's just pretty simple. Here, you just gotta follow the steps and you get provided email address. Then you're gonna verify your email address, then you're all good. You will be directed to here. And now what we want to do now to set up our payment setup is go here in settings at the bottom left corner of our screen. And then here we want to go on payments. There are also a lot of options here if you are interested in this, in case there are other things you want to set up. But this is what we want to set up right now, the payments. You can have the payment providers, the supported payment methods, and the manual payment methods. And here in the supported payment methods, as you can see, PayPal is supported here. This is very common. And if you want to manually add your payment methods, then here you can add a direct deposit, money order, or a cash on deliver. But for now, we want to set up our payment providers because this is where a lot of customers use their account. This is where the most preferable payment method. And as you can see here, there are a lot of options here that is unavailable to my country, or maybe some of these are available to yours or maybe unavailable, but you will see here at the top the methods that are available to you. So let's select to check out because this has a lot more options compared to annual pay. So let's go here and check this out. Let's click it. And here we have to set this up. It's actually pretty simple, but it's kind of hectic because it's a long process, but I'll guide you through the process, don't worry. So here, let's set up our to checkout account. And by the way, this to checkout account is mostly available to most countries in the world. So this is probably available to you. And this method that we're going to talk about here, we can use this because this can be applicable to you. So let's go to the setup instructions. We can read this as we want. Let's create a to checkout account first so that we can set up with to checkout account. And let's go here. Sign up for free. Let's go sign up. Here we want to put our first name, tutorial, and have a tutorial. Hold on. And now here in the business email, we can just put here our business email or whatever email you want. But for this example, I'm going to use a temporary email because this is just an example. But if you are setting this up for your real store, then don't use a temporary email because it might cause some problems to you because you can never open this email ever again. So let's still just paste this one there. And now we want to go here, type a password for your account. And our country is, that's the Philippines. There. Now let's check this. I'm on a robot, then get started. Our website. By the way, this website is where you can, this one. You just gotta copy this. This is your website link. So you just gotta copy it and then paste it there, here, and you're all good. Now let's get started. Right, so let's get started. I think your password is wrong. So it says must have at least 3 out of the 4 sets of characters. Well, okay. So let's try another password. There you go. It's all checked now. So we can now proceed. Let's proceed. Click on get started. Wait for it to load. Then verify again. And here we go. Now let's create an account. Let's say we are retail/physical products. Let's say this is the one. Then create an account. And just wait for it. And now that we are here, thank you for creating a to-checkout account. It means our registration is successfully complete. So we just get logged in now. So here, we'll put our username in the email you put in your registration form. That is your username. Here, you just paste it and the password. And sign in. And now that we're here, let's go back to the instructions. Here, first create a to-checkout account, then log in and activate your to-checkout account. So we gotta activate it first. And here, it says activate your account, start activation. Here, let's go next. And basically, you will be clearing up all of this here, and we'll be zooming out about your products and your account settings. And here, you will also need to provide documents. Here, and now for the summary. The summary here, these are all the summary of what you have entered here for details. And but we're not going to do that for now because this is just a tutorial. But for you have to do this so that you can get started. Let's go back, save for later. Let's see here. And then number 3 is after you have activated your account, 3 access then integrations, webhooks, and API. So we want to go here in integrations, right here. And in here, we can see here that API keys, private keys, secret keys, and our INS secret word. So what we're entering now is this one. So it says here, under the API section, copy the merchant code and paste it in the merchant code field here. You gotta paste it here. So let's find the merchant code here. It's this one. So let's paste it here. Let's go back and paste it here. And then the next one is the INS secret code. So this is the INS secret code. Let's click on generate and click on copy. And of course, click on save. After that, let's go here and paste it here. And now it says click on save settings. So you have already done that. And then in the redirect URL section, check enable return after sale. So here we have to enable this redirect URL, and you have to check this box. And there you go. Check that box. And for the redirect URL section, let it run. Let's see if it is black here. It is black here. Sorry, it is correct. So it says here for the return method, select header redirect, and it's here. For the reserve method, it's here. Now let's click on header redirect and click on update. And after that, let's click on save settings. You have already done that, so you are done now. Setting up your to-checkout account. And now here you can actually activate your to-checkout account now. And there is also this test mode option. You can enable test mode. And if you do this, then you can check if it is working. But I'm not going to do that for now. You can do it for yourself if you want to try it. It's really easy and easy to understand. So let's check this out. Then it's just go and activate our to check out account. And now here it is. It says to check out activated and begin to deactivate our to check out account. That's it. If you want to try this one again, then you are free to do so. You just have to enable this, then click on save here. That is all for this video, guys. I hope this finds you helpful.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.